Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to my kitchen. And yes, this really is my kitchen. Today, I am making lemon chicken.
Before the video starts, grab the subscribe button. We are giving away a set of Spurtles. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and leave a comment. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we will draw a random winner. More info on this giveaway at the end of the video.
And it is so good. It's one of my favorite dishes. And it's Greek chicken, lemon chicken. So I'm doing a little experiment here. Here is 2 fresh breasts with skin and the bone. Here's 2 frozen pieces. And I'm going to try to cook this all together. It should come out pretty close to the same because there's no bone or skin on these. So what I have in here is 2 teaspoons of oregano. And I did 2 very large garlic cloves. It said 3 to 4, and those are big enough for 2. Now I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to kind of mix that together. And to that, I'm going to put in, I already did the lemon rinds. I did about 2 tablespoons of them. And now I'm just going to squeeze in the 2 lemons that I have waiting to go. So you're going to use 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 teaspoons of oregano. You're going to do the juice and the rind, the zest of 2 lemons. And then we're going to put some salt and pepper in it. My oven's ready. And then I'm going to put some salt and pepper in there. Or you can salt and pepper the chicken if that's what you want. You can just go like that. And salt and pepper your chicken. And you're going to mix that together. And to that, I am going to get some warm water. And I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chicken broth. And I make my own with Better Than Bouillon. And I'll just mix that up in there. And we'll just put that in there. It'll all dissolve in there. And we'll just get that together. And that's what you're going to pour over the chicken. All that lemon juice, all that goodness. You don't even have to stick the lemons in there. The lemon juice and the zest is good enough. And to that, I'm going to very quickly slice this up into some pieces to spread along the top. And it has the lemon juice on here, and I really, just a rough chop. And I'm going to put that in the pan. One for the floor, if you all saw that. And then what I'm going to do is do some potato chunks. And just red potatoes. It's better with red potatoes. And I'm going to do 4 or 5. Get your oven ready at 450. We're going to put it, 400. We're going to put it in there for about 30 minutes with foil on it. So I'm going to stir this all up, and I'm just going to pour it on here. And then I'm going to take it out of the oven in 30 minutes, and we're going to get it ready to go by basting the chicken with the juice and cook it another 30 minutes. So really what you have here is a one-pan meal. All you need to do now is serve a vegetable, get a vegetable ready. My oven went off, so it's good and hot and it's ready. And I'm going to just put this in. And I'm going to cook it for 30 minutes. And when the 30 minutes is up, I'll come back. We'll baste our chicken. We'll put it in without the foil. And we'll see how it's doing. And as I said, I'm not sure about the frozen chicken, but we'll find out. I'll see you in a few. Hi, it's been 30 minutes, and I'm going to pull this out of the oven, and we're going to look at it. I know it's not ready yet, but there we go. Nope, but what I'm going to do is take some of this juice, and I'm going to, I got my thing here, tip this down, see where I can get my juice, and I'm just going to pour some of this over this chicken, and I'm going to kind of come down here and look at the frozen chicken, and it's doing quite good.
Doesn't look as fluffy.
Well, it's not as fluffy. It's not as big. The bone juice and everything in this isn't gonna, you know, there's none on that. There's no bone, there's no skin.
Oh, there's bone in the oven.
These are full boned. And we're gonna check it again. I'm gonna put it back in the back in the oven. And I am going to cook it for another half hour. And we'll check it then. I'll get my meat thermometer out and we'll check it then. Because the potatoes aren't even done. And that one chicken breast looks pretty bad. Still red or pink. So we'll come back in another half hour. I'll see you then. Hi, we're back. And my chicken is done. It looks so good. Now you can see the breasts that were frozen and they're done. I did take their temperature and they're all done. But here is, I'll put this one out because this one's Shawn's. And there's that chicken. And I'm going to put, the potatoes are all done. I'm going to put some potatoes on the plate. And then I'm excited. I'm so hungry right now. And you can have a little bit of that juice if you want to on your chicken. He's not going to eat the onions, but you can just see the garlic and the pulp and everything that's in there. And I'm just going to put some of this on the potatoes. And what would be good with this is just a little bit of butter on the plate. But there you go, lemon chicken. And I'm going to get in here. Oh, that is so good. So there you go. That is really good. Thank you for coming by my kitchen, and I'll see you next time right here in my kitchen. Bye.
To win this set of Spurtles, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and leave a comment. Also, if you could share this video, we would reach our goal of 500 subscribers. The sooner we reach our goal, the quicker we can pick a winner. Thanks.